Namaste, this is Yogi, and thank you for watching our video. And today I again brought a very interesting topic about one of Shuddhi Kriya, one of cleansing practice which is highly required for in Hatha Yoga for the yogis. This practice is called Kapalbhati, which you may find in the practice of Shatkarmas, which is a cleansing process. This is also practiced in pranayama. Kapalbhati. First, a brief introduction about Kapalbhati. In Sanskrit, Kapal means the head. Bhati is sheath, the aura. It was used by yogis generation to generation, and working is unlimited, working is so eternal that this is for generating power, and power in the way of spiritual working, for awakening spirituality. First, of course, Kapalbhati works so much in your physical body. It has working on your manomaya kosha, on mental body, emotional body, your astral body, your wisdom body. All the bodies are having that energy. First of all, how to practice Kapalbhati in a proper way. For Kapalbhati, if you may sit in Vajrasana, thunderbolt pose, make sure your spine is straight. When you practice Vajrasana, you may find there is a gap on your abdomen. Whenever you will exhale, you will make these strokes here. This gap is very effective. So first, to be very straight, open the chest, align the shoulders. In Kapalbhati, main thing is only to inhale once. After that, you need to check how many strokes of this pressure of this air you may throw out, you may release. Everyone has a different standard, everyone has a different fitness. It depends. If you're a beginner, try 5 times, 10 times. Try to reach at 20 times, 25 times, 50 times. It depends how you practice, how long it has been you're in practice. So for Kapalbhati, the same. First your posture, then we hold this Dhyan Mudra. Your whole observation about your pranic level, how you inhale, how you exhale. Only to practice to deep inhale to your lungs. And when you start to exhale, this is the proper flow of exhalation. We are working on this muscle, internal oblique, external oblique. These muscles for the abdomen, for their toning, for their relaxation, for releasing pressure from there. Now in Kapalbhati, first you check your level. You are a beginner, you are on intermediate level, you are an advanced practitioner. Advanced practitioners, people, they say how long to practice Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati is not concerned with minutes. Kapalbhati is practice with your strokes, how many strokes you can do. It depends. First you have to check in which level you stand for. The good time is early morning, Brahmurat, sun rising. That is the best time for Kapalbhati. The energy is so sattvic, energy is pure. That is the best time for Kapalbhati. Anyway, if you want to practice at evening time, sunset, make sure your bowels, your stomach is empty. The stomach needs to be very empty when you practice Kapalbhati. The benefits of Kapalbhati. There are so many benefits of Kapalbhati. First, it works on your internal oblique muscle. It detoxifies the intestines, and all impurity, all the toxins are out. It works on belly. It decreases the size of your belly. It gives you nice shape on abdomen. Emotional behavior. You may find when your aura is shining, when you have a positive aura, you have good emotions. Mental body. Your thoughts will be purified. You will find a lot of energy in your body. some precautions for Kapalbhati. There are few precautions, and the precautions are, if you have hernia, if you have any surgery in the stomach, if you have appendix, please avoid it. Again, you may check if you can practice maybe 5 times, 10 times. You need to just increase your strokes. If you don't feel any difficulty, if you don't feel any swelling, any inflammation, any pain, means you may try, you may go ahead, you may try to reach 20 times, 25 times. It will give you that strength, it will give you that power. And always please practice under a trained yoga teacher, a trained person who can guide you well. If you have any inquiries, please comment. If you liked it, please subscribe our channel for next videos. And if you really liked it, please don't forget to like our video. Thank you so much. Namaste.